Hello, I'm Brady Siegel. I am the construction manager in the Charleston, South Carolina office, and I'd like to talk to you today about what to look for in land. In the Charleston area, it is unique. We have a lot more low-lying areas and wetlands than other offices may have. So that is a key thing to look for. Is there a dry area on the land that is buildable? Also, with us being near the coast, we often have areas that are protected, wet areas or oceanic areas that are wetlands, marshlands that we cannot use in the building process. And so just knowing your land, knowing how much of it is available is a key point. When selecting your land, there's the age-old adage of location, location, location. And that's a very personal thing. Where in town or near town do you want to live? That's not something we can necessarily speak to you. You know your life, your commute, where you want to be, where your family is located. After that, you want to try to find land that is buildable from our perspective. You want to have land that is not wet, isn't low-lying. You want to make sure you don't have any marshlands that are impeding where you want to build the house. Next, you want to look at views. Does it have a water view that you want to have and you want to orient the house to be able to see that? Or is there just a beautiful live oak tree that you want to be able to see out your back window? These are all things that are very personal, and we're glad to help you make those decisions and arrive at a plan that works best for you to build your perfect home. When selecting your land, it's important to know whether there is well access, city sewer access. If not, we can do a well and septic. That's something we can work out with you, but it does impact where the house goes and what your build is going to be like. Other things to consider are there power lines on your property that might change where you can put your house? Other than that, do you have a water view? Do you have trees that you would just love to see? Here in the Low Country, we have these wonderful live oaks, and they're beautiful trees, but they do limit where you can build oftentimes. They're protected by the local government, and you can't cut one down to build your house. So, look at your property. Is there a place that you can put the house that not only are you impeded by that tree, but you can actually make use of that tree? It'll be part of your view out your back window forever. I'm Brady, construction manager with the Charleston, South Carolina office. Thank you.